너 just the 예민 Tseyang 다린 Gorshey 돼야 다린 냠도 치고. So nga makeup 정말 치사이 and then nga 추바데 다디 치니샤요. 문주 타오 캔이 데 보드 데 마오드 나폴리스 and then nga 감지 홍보 캔이 홍보레시 some lighting 나고 나보다 웃긴 and then last 홍보 이 캔이. This is my dog, Bambi. Hi. Some fun facts about me is that nga tsina nga binge sumye, nga shishi binge jinga jibu, and then chunshi singcham de. Nga tsu changma nyamdo kala goshi chagiye. Dedala. Munji tiskima kumshi. Okay. Fun fact ni wadi. Nga lu nga chaloga도 nga 자주 자야고 tsу인. tango nangma deshin istachi and then then until 2 years ago I started dancing Gorshey at the park. Binge chunshi de chugo kya rogo cheyare shikazine nga de dutena yapo thongimendo. Okay, tao nga kumba chuba ne chiyamdo keme but in this chas. So while I do this nga fun fact shimbachi logo, I really like listening to music and this is gonna sound funny, but learning about Buddhism. Yeah, I like learning about Buddhism because I went to a camp for about 2 months and I learned so many new cool things about Buddhism and the way of life and music because it just helps me escape into better things. I've really been into Rinpoche and then Perche and K-pop. So while I put on my accessories, I'll tell you why I think Gorshey is beneficial for us as exiled Tibetans. So while yes, we do listen to Tibetan music through Gorshey and learn many new songs and have the Tibetan language always in our mind, we also meet so many new people and we can learn about how their life was in Tibet. Like there's so many people who had to escape Tibet and flee to a different country, so we can learn about their history and their parents' history and just so many new interesting things while being at a place where we do something we all enjoy. So this is the amjadaya I am wearing, and then I'm wearing this as a tenga along with the bracelet.